Welcome to the Loan Analytics Ad Hoc Risk Management Reporting video. During this video, you will learn how to use the LA Risk 3 application to create ad hoc risk management reports. We will now go to the application. Once opened, enter the report name, your financial institution, and the portfolio to be imported. I'm going to click Segment 1. We're going to select Branch Office. I'll click Select Segment 2, and we'll click Loan Type. I'll click Main, and we'll import the 9/30/2013 data extract. Do you want to calculate customer level return? I'll say yes, and double click on my 9/30 extract. Do you want to report historical losses? I will say no. Do you want to report previous period PD and LGD ratings? I will say no. Once imported, the extract date will be populated. Click Summary, and we'll produce a report by branch office and loan type. I'm going to click Trend that period, click Summary, and I can click percent volume and look at the graphs of the volume. Click Summary. I'll click PD rating. I'll graph the PD ratings by branch office. Click Summary. Click Annual Risk-Adjusted Return on Asset, and I'll report the return by branch office. I can click Extract and open up another workbook and copy this graph into the workbook. I can change the graph type. I can copy it to a PowerPoint and Word document, but I want to make sure I copy it in as an object or picture. Close this workbook. I'll click Main. We will now change the segmentation of the portfolio. We'll click on Segment 2 and change that to PD rating. I'll click Main. So we're going to report the branch office by PD ratings. I will click Refresh. Do you want to refresh data? It says Segment 2 has been changed from loan type to PD. Select Yes to refresh. Do you want to recalculate loan return? I will say no. We'll click Summary. Now we will report branch office PD ratings. I will click Trend that period, go back to Summary, and I will click percent volume in the Albia branch. So I report the distribution of my PD ratings in the Albia branch. Click Summary, click LGD rating, and I will report the LGD risk by PD rating within the Albia branch. Click Summary, I can click Annual Return on Asset, and report the return by PD rating in the Albia branch. And click Main. We'll click Segment 1, and we'll change Segment 1 to PD. We'll click Segment 2 and change that to LGD. And now we're going to report the portfolio by PD and LGD rating. Click Refresh. Do you want to refresh? Yes. It says Segment 1's been changed. Select Yes to refresh. It'll say Segment 2 has been changed. Select Yes to refresh. Do you want to recalculate loan return? I'm going to say no. Click Summary, and now we have a report by PD rating, LGD rating. I'll click Trend that period, click Summary, click percent volume, and now I have a graph of my PD rating distribution for my total portfolio. Click Summary, and click LGD risk, and I have an LGD risk by PD rating for my total portfolio. Click Main, click Segment 1. You can change any of the segments and produce reports based upon the selected segmentation for Segment 1 and for Segment 2. Once you do that, you go back to the main screen and click Refresh to update the report. Thank you for viewing this video. Please send me an email if you have any questions.